Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel at the rate Abhiki Jubani. I hope you all are doing amazingly well. Today, we will discuss step-by-step instructions to transform your disappointments into examples. Ever wondered why successful people put so much emphasis on learning from mistakes? It's a universal truth that life is all about turning your failures into a path to success, but it's also through failures that we get exposure to the harsh realities of life. The secret lies in learning from your failures rather than getting disappointed by them. As a general rule, this principle can be applied in all walks of life, but it becomes much more apparent in our practical life. The harsh reality is that you will be confronted with multiple points of failure regarding people and the jobs you undertake.
But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button so that you all will get the notification of my videos.
Accept your failures. The power of accepting your mistakes or errors is the first rule you need to keep in mind. In essence, taking failure showcases your willingness to learn. Some of us, due to ambition or egoism, deny that we failed and instead blame our failures on others as a source of keeping ourselves motivated. This can be catastrophic for your career or life. If you do not accept your failures, your learning capacity will remain stagnant. Don't let failure consume you. I don't think failing a specific project should have been easy. It will be hard, you will be tested, and the burden of proving yourself will be immense. This is the point where most people break down. They either give up or become accustomed to failures and forget to learn. This is where you need to accept that you made a mistake and are willing to prove yourself. Don't fear failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure itself is not dangerous. The danger lies in fear of facing loss itself. When we die, whether in establishing a positive relationship with a co-worker or in a task, our instinct tells us that such a situation should be avoided in the future. This is where you need to change how you think. Do not avoid chances of failing. Instead, when you're confronted with failure, learn it and make sure not to repeat the same mistake. Consistency is the key to success. We are not talking about consistency to failure. We emphasize that learning from your mistakes should be a consistent factor. Maybe you'll fail multiple times, and you might get overwhelmed by the criticism. During this process, you fail to learn anything significant. It is all about how well you can manage the complaints and become consistent in learning. Learn from the failure of others. You are not the only one who fails. There are successful people out there who have failed before. You will have co-workers who will be dying and may be in the same tasks as you. The point is, consider the world you live in as a place where there are opportunities to learn at all times. Learning from the failures of others can be a great way to avoid going down the same road in the future.
Well, that is it for today. I hope this episode is helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.